What is going on, everyone? This is S2K and the Ant, otherwise known as Anthony, and today I am replacing the fuel filler pipe. This is a part number here on my 2003 Lexus LS430. Basically, the issue I'm having is that every time I fill up the gas, the gas nozzle clicks way too early. Like, I will fill up the car for like 2 minutes and it'll click, and the car was just empty, so no way the car is full of gas. So I bought this fuel filler pipe off of Rock Auto. It was like 50 or 60 bucks, something like that. And I don't know, I just thought I'd try it out. The Lexus one wasn't that expensive. It was like $100, 120 bucks. Usually I go for like the Lexus one, but I just thought I'd give this one a try. So I'm gonna try to walk you through how to replace this thing, and hopefully it works. I'm using the legit Lexus part from Lexus because I tried to install some Rock Auto thing and it did not fit, and I had to return it, and I was a pain in the butt. So if you are to do this, buy the Lexus part. Don't buy the Rock Auto part. The Rock Auto part is too big. The pipe is too big and it will not fit. You're saving yourself 50%, but it's not worth it because the time that you take it in and take it out, it's totally not worth it. Okay, first thing is jack up your car from the rear diff. Okay, jack it up high enough so you can fit a jack pin under it. Cool. Jacking point is right over there. Okay. All right. Next up is remove the left rear wheel, and of course open that gas cap. Let's see. That's a gas cap. Don't forget the wheel lock. This is very important. Okay, so the wheel is off now. Okay, next step is take off these we'll open this anyways, and let's take off these 4 Phillips head screws and this 14 mil bolt here. Okay. Now with those parts gone, you should be able to remove the fuel filler shield. There we go. And that piece now comes off. So you're left with just that. Back here, it's located behind this piece, this cover. So now you gotta take off this cover. So up here, there are two 12mm bolts holding this bracket on. This is the second one. So just use pliers to remove that hose, and then you have move it away, and then you have two more hoses. These two hoses, just use pliers and wiggle them off. I was able to take it out without having to fully remove the cover. Okay, and here's the side by side of the one I just removed from the car. This is the one I got from Rock Auto. Seems like all the bends are in the most necessary places, so just swap over this bracket over and then reinstall.